And now you may wonder, who's this?
Wow.
I don't know who it is. It's not Ryan.
You know it's your voice already.
Yeah, you kind of recognize my voice. You know me. The guy who, actually the kid who sometimes goes in his videos, and I let him come to mine. You should know who I am. My name is...
Muhammad Ryan.
Yeah, my name is Muhammad Ryan.
Oh.
Oh, please stop interrupting.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh! Stop it, dude. You're going to get me loose.
Yeah.
Jeff.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Please.
Oh yeah.
I'm also in other Ryan's house.
No, he's in math. He's in his house.
Why would you say that?
Give me channel every single day.
Actually I don't. Because I only choose it. But it's putting the phone on someone. They say that I do it in 2 weeks. Which is a lot.
I do it every single day. I do it every single day, boy. Just hit your arm. Just hit your cut.
Oh!
What did you get for that, boy?
I don't have any cars.
It's me.
Now it's other Ryan, the boss of the bosses.
Why is he eating Subway surfers? Why you like the Subway surfers?
Oh, I like it because I get to play. Okay, let's see if Ryan can solve this. Eeny, miny, mo, a cat ate a dog, and a dog ate a cat. Oh, that's actually horrifying.
That'd be weird. I would be throw up. I would throw up, so many goodness. I'm don't watch this, please.
Pokemon gotta catch him.
Yeah, got you. You thought I was going over there, boy? I was not getting there. I was getting the...
Oh, you gotta get roasted by the car. Watch out.
Yup.
Yup. Yup. How much is this coming?
I'm a king of this, so yeah.
The king of the jungle is other Ryan.
And this poopy.
So each one of us only gets 2 chances.
Oh.
So in this, only each one of us gets only 2 chances. Isn't that right?
Yeah. Oh no. You got 6 minutes to leave.
Uh-oh. That's right, guys. After 6 minutes, you have to close it again.
Okay.
And the title should be here. Ryan and other Ryan play Subway Surfers.
I did 2 videos on that.
Really?
Yeah, I did. Hey, banana. That's cool. Hey, what are you doing? Yes. Oh, yes. What? How am I beating this guy? You ain't getting me. Oh, finally! I got a key. Finally! Ah! Oh, 4 knuckles!
Now it's my turn.
Wait, how many skill I got? Ooh!
You remember what I said? We each have 2 chances.
Give me 1 minute. Here, go. Hurry up! Woo!
Ooh,
I just beat this dude's high score. Right?
Yeah, my old.
He's mad. Are you pretty mad?
Yeah, I want to kill him. Actually, I want to kill. This thing is going to say. Oh, this is good. Booyah! Hey!
Oh, if you. How about this?
Ah!
Yes!
Woo!
Yes! That was my surfers!
Oh!
You got.
Oh, yeah, boy!
Oh, yeah. Look at this other wire. This is.
Ah!
Look at this.
Woo!
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Stop it!
Look at
You're
this.
not gonna get me distracted, boy.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
You know the game of TV, right?
Oh yeah! Oh no! Oh yes! Oh yeah! Get one more chance. What time is it now? We got 3 minutes!
I have 3 minutes. Oh no!
You'll die. Rest in pieces.
I know.
I'll come back. Look down. You're a good boy. If you look up, you're a bad boy. I'll not give you Doritos or Cheetos. Okay?
Hmm?
Look down. I'm doing this. Go. What's the? No. Lay down. Just sit down.
But when I'm not gonna get. Whoa! That was close. I'm reading, so I think I'm reading other Ryan's high score. Stop! 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 What is wrong with you?
I'm the monster.
Now you have to give me one more chance because you did that.
Oh wow. Yeah, 970 something.
You guys should know already. Oh, come on!
It's raining.
Really? Oh no! Oh! How is that guy surviving even though he's gonna hit the roof?
He'll break his feet off.
Yeah!
He'll break his
Boy.
bones off. He'll do falling.
Ah!
Like this. He'll like so slow. He has no limbs. What the? Oh no. Oh no.
Ah! I have one more chance now.
Oh, what time is it now? 1 more minute.
Guys, I have 1 minute and then I'll leave and then they'll be at the end of the video.
And now to kill.
Okay, 2 minutes, we will go, okay?
2 minutes.
Okay, 2 more minutes because your mom said 9 o'clock, send him.
Yeah, no need, so.
No, we can do nothing about it, okay? Okay, Rian. Mama.
Oh yeah.
I don't like kissing.
What do you think? That's empty?
Yeah.
No, that's a train.
Okay, let's check the time.
It's 8.
It's too late.
You struck me something. Oh, come on.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Yeah, I'm a maverick.
You out of toys.
You have a mama. You like toys every single day. And
Don't do that, or else I'll grab the police.
the police station is right too far.
Actually, I saw one up. I think I saw one.
Oh no! What the? Oh, Trav, punch you one in the head. If you swear. Ah! I will kill you. Yeah, sure now. Yeah. Sure now. Yeah. Oh yeah. Sure now. Got my face. Ow. Crack your head off.
ये करेला
Which one is it? Another one!
Goodbye, guys. I guess this is the end of the video.
And kiss my other lion.